Hello, this is Vignesh from Anna University, Chennai, and this is Sriram. Our project is about traffic rule following vehicle system. The basic idea is to make vehicles follow traffic rules. It's a kind of prevention is better than cure kind of motto. That is, we do not allow vehicle drivers to violate traffic rules. We prevent it before the accident happens. Actually, we all know that a lot of traffic death tolls and human losses are occurring because of traffic rule violations. The basic reason is the traffic rule violation. So such a project would basically reduce the number of death tolls. And basically we are using a GPS receiver to get the coordinate of the particular place. And we all know that every particular place has kind of traffic requirements, like it should have a 60 kilometer or a 40 kilometer speed limit zone, or that particular area is a no parking zone, or it's a residential area or a hospital area where you should not sound horns or something like that, and you should not jump signals. Such kind of requirements are already built-in database is provided, and the GPS provides the coordinates, and we match with the database and find out what particular place it is, and then we make the vehicle act accordingly. We
For demonstration, we are using radio waves to demonstrate the project, and this is the prototype of vehicle. And when somebody tries to park the vehicle in, or enter into a no horn region, they won't be allowed to blow their horns. It will be out of control, as you can see. And if they try to park the vehicle in no parking region, the owner won't be able to switch off the vehicle, and instead they will be getting an like a blinking of LEDs shown. And the third one is go slow region, wherein the user won't will be restricted to a certain speed limits. The user won't have any control to exceed certain speed limits. And this is traffic signal simulation, and here during the red signal time, the vehicle can't cross the line, the vehicle to violate the traffic rules.
So the basic idea is to prevent traffic rule violations. The vehicle assists the driver to know the traffic rules, and it also acts accordingly, and in places where it cannot be done, it also provides indication to the driver so that he can be well alert, so that such traffic death tolls can be reduced drastically, and we can save precious human lives. So this is what we thought of doing for humanity. Thank you.